Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the difference between acids and bases. So basically, what are acids? Okay, what are bases? Sorry, acids. The substances which give H positive ions, okay, in solution. Okay, if we add water in a particular substance and it gives H positive ions. H positive ions means hydrogen ions, and H3O positive are hydronium ions. So that substance is a acid. So basically, and the second way by which we can find out whether a particular substance is acid or base, by litmus test. Okay, so second method is litmus test. Okay, if blue litmus, okay, if blue litmus changes to red, okay, if blue litmus changes to red, then it is a acid. Okay, and third thing is acids are always sour in taste. Sour in taste. Acids are always sour in taste. Okay, so acids, basically two types of acid: strong acid and weak acids. Okay, strong acids and weak acid. And what are strong acid? The example of strong acid is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, as its pH value is 1 like 2. Okay, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. And weak acid, you can take example of vinegar, that is CH3COOH. This is a weak acid. Okay, so this is all about the acids. Now bases. So what are bases? Which give hydroxide ions. Okay, and hydroxide ions means कि OH negative ions. So the second method to determine whether a particular substance is acid or base by litmus test, same as acids, but in this case, litmus test, but in this case the red litmus will change into blue. Okay, and if red litmus changes to blue, then it is a base, and if blue litmus changes to red, then it is a acid. Okay, and third is to determine whether a particular substance is base by its taste. These are always bitter in taste, okay, and soapy in touch. Means soapy means कि if you touch a particular base, then it feels you like that you are touching a soap. So that's why these are soapy in touch. Okay, so similarly as acids, bases are also strong bases, okay, and weaker bases. Okay, and strong bases are like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. So whereas example of weak base is ammonia, that is NH3. So this is all about your acids and bases. Okay, have a nice day.